Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add the Logo Showcase plugin to Squarespace. If you want to display client logos, brands, partners, or sponsors on your website, this tutorial is for you. On your Squarespace dashboard, we will go to this website so we can add our logo. Once you are here, click on Pages. This is the section where we will be placing the logo. We will add it using code injection, either in the header or the footer, as you can see here. Let's use the header as an example. We will select this header. Now that we are here, we will head over to Canva. We will use Canva to create and add a logo to our header. Let's say we are going with this design as our logo. We will delete all the extra pages so we are left with just the logo. Now we have our logo. All we need to do is click Share, then go to See All and click Embed. Once this appears, we will generate an embed code. Then we will copy the embed code and go back to Squarespace. That is our logo. Now we will click Save. As you can see, the logo is now showing on the page. All we need to do is edit it to adjust the size, so we can make it smaller on the website. This completes the setup. We have now gone through the customization options for how to display logos effectively on your pages.